Althea Tan Gonzalez, Gayaman. Eliza May Garcia Quirino, Barangay Baybay Pulo. Nesty Tidi Guzman, Barangay Lambay. Rachel Soriano, proudly representing Barangay Nagilayan. Georgina Rose de la Cruz, Barangay Nagilayan.
Good evening, everyone. I am Clarice Alia P. Paras from Barangay Poblacion.
A pleasant evening, Ben Millennials. My name is Jamaica Rose Samson, representing Barangay Tambor. Good evening to each and everyone. I am Ella Marie Nalangan Ramirez from an amazing and thriving barangay, Barangay San Isidro Sur. Hello, Ben Marianyans. I am Angel Carolina Soriano Carolino Angel, proud and fearlessly representing my beloved barangay, Banlag! Regina Abalas Fernandez, representing Barangay Kanawalan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mian Abigail Soriano Prado from Barangay Tumbor. Good evening, everyone. My name is Juliana Lexi Manuela E. Castro, proudly representing San Isidro Norte. I am Irish May Villariaza, representing Barangay Palyas. Eliza Rain Shaira Biala Lamak, representing Barangay Gayaman. Magandang gabi,